Hello. So today in this video, we'll design a table using call span and the row span in HTML5. So for designing that table, just see this is sample table. Based upon this sample output only we'll design. So first you see in this sample output, what is happening here. Uh, these particulars, you see here, these particulars, in the merging is there. So that merging is again, I mean the height and the width is only. So that is the merging of the here three columns. Three rows, not columns. First one is the this row, second row, and this is the third row. So these three row merged here, and then only it is coming for the particulars. Okay, so one merging is here again. Another things you see here, the management NRI quota, this statement. So this is again merged here. So columns, one column, second column, third column, and fourth column. Altogether, fourth columns merged here. Then again this statement is there. So you have to decide in which way merging of the row otherwise column. If the confusion is there, then again designing will be not proper. Got it? So here you see, so this is the merging of the three row, and here this is the merging of the three column. Clear? Now you can just see here how many maximum column is there in this table. So one column, this one, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Okay, means that this is the one column like this. Altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first we have to keep in your mind 6 column, and then only we have to see the merging again. Another things here again you have to, you know already for the HTML table designing, each row, one row by row only we can design. So inside the one row how many columns is there, that we have to set, and that column we have to see again that is the merge with the in which way, column wise, otherwise the row wise. Got it? So here we'll start the coding again. So for coding purpose, again I will start one notepad only. So we'll see here one notepad. In the notepad, wait, basic part of the HTML, again I'll copy from here. Okay, so I can save little bit time. Yes, so you see here, this is the basic only for HTML5. So table demo, yeah, coming to body, this is the closing of the body and the closing of the HTML. This part done, so we have to write inside this one. So start from the table tag only, right? Along with the table we can write the attributes, because here you can see in this output border is there. See, and this output border is there. Okay, so in that way you can also keep the border here. So table attributes is the border equal to double quote, give thickness based upon your wish 2px I'm giving here, right? And height width is the auto, not I'm fixing here again now. Then coming to the tr, okay, then inside the tr, td. So td, what is the first things here? Particulars. But this td, what is happening? Merging of the three columns. Columns are row. This is the three rows is merging here. First particulars, this one is the merging of the three row, one, first one, second one, and third one. Okay, so you can write here td space attributes is the row span equal to 3. Got it? Then you write a statement whatever you want to display, that is called the table data particular, and close the td. So first part is clear. This first part is clear. Coming to the second one. So second one again you see CET quota, that is the first second value, but this is again merging of the two row. Clear, sir? So in that case, another TD, and there again you can add merging of the two row. So row span equal to 2, and then again the what is there statement you can see here. Statement is the CET quota. CET quota, QUOTA quota. Then close the again here TD. Now coming to the next one. TD. Okay, and here you can see again. So this is the third value. This is the third value. So third value is the this one only. Okay, so, but the third value what is happening, that is the merging of the column only. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Got it? So in that case TD call span equal to 4 na, I think so, 4 only. 1 2 3 4 4 call span 4, and then you can write here management quota, QUOTA quota, then close the TD, right? And one more thing, this management quota you can see that is coming in the center, right? So in that case one more alignment you can put attribute align, and you can make center, and then again the closing the TR. Clear? Okay, so first row is okay, done. Coming to the second row. second row it will start from this place. This is the second row from these parts. So second row, this already merged here, this already merged 3 rows together, this merged 2 rows. So this will be the second row first value we can display. Karnataka state above 50% PCM. Got it? So but in that case second row how many again the TD we can write? 1 2 4 only, because the one is the merge here, one already merged here, and one separate is again already merged here in the particle. 2 done out of the 6, so only 4 we can write. Clear? So in that case second TR means again start the TD. So this TD just I am writing here, statement same I can write. Karnataka state above 50% in the PCM. Karnataka state above 50% PCM. Close TD. Right? So after that you can see same statement is there, 45%, 50%, 50%, and some value is there already. This is the above, this is the between 45% to percent. Okay, so same with the 4, only the statement will be the change. Control V 4 TD, because the 2 already merged there. So this is the between 45%, 45 to 45% to 55%. Okay, this is the below. Otherwise you can write here 45% only, and this is the below 45% you can write, right? So this is the fourth data, that is the second row. Done. Then close the TR. Right? Now second part is done. Second row is done. Now coming to the third row. Third row, this is your first value. 1 2 3 4 5, because one row is already merged again along with the particulars. So this is again the first value. But the how many data? TD 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So in that case another TR, because first we have to write the TR, then TD, right? What is the first statement? All branches is there, right? So we can write here all branches, close the TD. Okay, and same things is the 5 times, so we can copy paste 2, 3, 4 and 5. Got it? And close the here TR. Done. So third row is also over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 done. Now coming to the last one. Last one is this one. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Got it? So this is again as usual normal only we can write here, because nothing merged in that last one. So TR, TD, what a statement is there you can see here. Tuition and university is fee. So tuition and university fee. Close the again the TD. First data done. Total 6 we have to write. TD, write some amount 125,000. Closing the TD. Okay. This if you want comma designing whatever you want, this you can do it. Not a problem. So this is the one is done. 2. Now the total 6 we want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the 6. Okay. Now close the here TR. Now close here table. Okay. Now you can save this file and we'll see the output here. Save. I will save inside the test folder, giving here table demo.html. This is my file name, and the same fashion inside a double quote we can put. Now we'll minimize and we'll open the folders. Yes, table demo. Yes, there. Not this file. Yes, this file. Yeah, you see here this file. Coming now. See Tikota merging here. This is the center. This is like this. You can see. You can maximize also. It is coming like this. And now if you want center of the table, is all of the value. You want center of screen of the table. So in that case, along with the table, you can use the one more attribute align. And the value you can give center. Direct complete table will be center now. Save the file and here you refresh. Coming center now. Okay, and you see here we did not put any kind of the, here again you see there is no again the height and the width. Here there is no height and width, but still whenever you can see the output, you see the here again the output. Yes, so everything is adjusted based upon the this one. Clear? So in this way you can use the row span and call span. And row span and call span is a very important but very simple in the table designing. Only you should know, once you will catch the again the how many maximum columns are there, which columns and where the column merge, where the rows merge, then the coding is very easy. Otherwise this is a complete complicated task for you. Okay, and one more thing, here you see these values are not in the center. This value, this value, this value is not the center, right? So in that case what you can do, you can again use the align for value only. This is the value here, td align equal to center, right? Here again td align center, then again td align center, td align center, td align center. All value will come center. So align is again very popular and the common, even you can use along with the paragraph table, tr, td, anywhere. Control S, then you refresh the page. You see now this value is coming center now. So in this way you can use the row span, col span, and after the merging you can design the tables. So hope in this video you got the idea for regarding the merging of the column and the row, right? So next video again we'll discuss about the next part as per your syllabus. So thanks for your patience to watching this video. Thank you.